Happy Friday. Today is Friday the 8th, July the 8th. So we're gonna go take a look at the tomatoes that I planted in the front yard a couple weeks ago. So it actually grew pretty fast. I did clean up the front yard. Been like few days clean up, but still a mess. Looks a little bit better than before, but it's still a big mess. So this is the Phoenix mango. Looks like it's starting to come back from the winter. And this here, tomatoes are starting to flowering right now. Oh, this is the what is it? Chili. Forgot the name of the chili. My sister wants me to plant it for her. So it's actually flying right now. Looks like I spotted a fruit here. Okay. I don't remember what the name of this chili is. So next to it is another tomatoes, and then this tomato plant was given to me by a member from Facebook group. So it's actually got fruit now. I think it's supposed to be purple or black. I don't remember. And there's a couple more right there. Tomato. And then these I started my tomatoes late, so you can see they're just starting to flower right now. So I put 4 plants in a pot here. This is one plant, 4 plants in a second tomatoes here, and then that's the third one here, and that's the 4th one right behind it. So this is to basically take advantage of the expensive real estates. The pineapple, and then this is the dates. This is a date palm that I started from seed. Some more chilies, and then another tomato plant here. Oopsie. Okay. So this is another tomato. So I've been, removing these type of yellow leaves. And then we got a spider web. I need to remove the spider web. So all the yellow leaves, bad leaves, are basically coming off. See, just remove these yellow leaves. So the tree, the plant looks healthy. This is a ricotta plant, actually. And then here's some more tomatoes. So I have to reorganize the space that I have here into make it into an even, like a straight line, straight rows. Right now they're somewhat crooked and it's hard to maneuver around. So this is a pepinos. So the focus today here this afternoon is the tomato plants. I started some more. These were started late. Planted some more started late. I don't remember the varieties because, at one point I bought several and then I stopped planting them last year, and this year I started picking them up again, so they are like got mixed. I don't know what's what anymore. And starting out some chili, my chili here. So the focus again here is the tomatoes. So we got some more tomatoes. Another tomato flowering. Let's blend it with some other stuff in there. So all my tomatoes are in pots because I got gopher problems. So if I plant it in the soil, well, basically all the stalks and everything will go missing. So one time, my first year moving to this place, I didn't realize it. I planted tomatoes in the soil, and it got so big. I mean, it was taller than this. It was like 5 foot, 5-6 foot tall. And then all of a sudden, one day, it just like disappeared. The gopher just took the whole thing out. Everything was gone. So this was tomato plants I did an exchange with a member. And see, let me pick and try it. Don't know what the variety it is, but it's good. It's really good. So maybe this is a Czech pick. This one is a Chick-a-Peak purple, and then this one is Coyote. Okay, it's really good. I like it. It's similar to the pears, the yellow pears one. So I've been removing. So I planted some garlics as well. Take advantage of all the space and the soil. Okay, and then so these two are from a trade. So the reason we get the fruits right now is I got it from a trade. They started theirs early. I started my tomatoes kind of late. So as you can see, these are mine. Started late and they're just starting to flower now. So maybe about a month behind. I started late. Oh, these are Thai chilies. I love these. Thai chilies, they're really good. They're not too hot. And I like eating them green, like this. It has more flavor that way. And it's not too hot. So I got these bamboo steak here that was given to me. So I use them on my tomato plant. So this is the tomato plants rows. See all this row here? That's another rows. Okay. All the tomato plants. So there's some more over there. We're gonna go over there and take a look. But again, as you can see, mines are a bit late. It's just flowering right now. So they will come into season and ready for harvest probably in a month or two. So I'm just basically removing all the yellow little leaves like this. Okay. So the bamboo stakes are really handy for tomatoes. So I've asked my mom's friends for some more to save me up some of these bamboo sticks. Pretty good for staking these tomato plants. It's a bit hard to get around So see, I should probably make the, you know, the aisle wider so I can walk through it. Right now it's a bit, tight. So these are the tomatoes. Maybe I have 30 pots or so. So the reason why I want to grow tomatoes this year is because of the food shortage issues and gas price, the high gas price. So if I plant myself these, I don't have to run to the grocery store and save me on the gas. Plus I get organic fruits, tomatoes. And then I can basically can them. Oh, there's a bee here, black bumblebee. And I can can them. They're probably, helping me with the pollination. You see that? They're helping with the pollination there. That bee is helping with the pollination. Cool. Bee do all the work. So maybe I'll try to see if I can, start a beehive, so that I can get more bees into my yard to help with the pollination. So I have several rows of tomatoes, and I think I'm gonna plant some more because, I can always can them up, and save it for, food for the winter. Because I love making pasta with these tomatoes. They're delicious. But you can use also, I planted some Thai basil too. So, chop them up with Thai basil and thymes and oregano, and you make really good pasta marinara. No meat. And then here's a tomato, not ready yet. I guess these are gonna get big. The plant is gonna get really big. So it looks like some of the plants are actually having fruits now, but they're not ready for harvest yet. They're not ripened yet. Lots of fruits on this tree. Oh, there's a couple here. Let's see. I'm gonna remove this leaves because it looks wilted. Okay, and then this one, let's see, is ready. Tastes very similar to the yellow pears. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I do have some eggplants too. This one here is Thai eggplants. That's a Thai eggplant right here. You see? Thai eggplants. They're round, round little balls. It's really good to make into curries, or you can eat it raw, like a salad. And then this is the regular purple Japanese eggplant. I don't know what happened here. Why is it drying up? The leaves are drying up. Yeah, like that. I don't know. I just watered them yesterday. Maybe it needs another watering. So this is golden raspberry that I got. Oh shit, look like it's got thorns. I didn't realize that. Oh shit, I hope it doesn't have those thorn thing. Wouldn't be good to have a thorn raspberry like that. Look at the thorns here. Anyway, I got this from a trade. Okay. So looks like I will be in tomato heaven in a month or so or two. Just see, I think I spotted. Oh, here. This is a Thai eggplant. You see, it's a round shape. The flowers are very similar to the purple Japanese eggplant. I guess I will have to water it again because the plant looks a bit wilted. Okay. So this is a cherimoya from last year, left over from last season. No, it doesn't seem to be getting big. I'm just waiting for it to get big and see if it's good eating food. There's a couple left over from last year. And then these spider web, lots of spider webs. So I have to clean up the spider web too. So what I do with the spider web is I just basically get a stick, and then I just basically go and see what I do is I find a stick like this. Okay. And then I just go like that, clean out the spider web. Kind of annoying, these spider webs. A lot of spider web. Okay, so this weekend I'm gonna have to spend some more time out in the front yard, cleaning up and making sure that each of the rows are straightened up and there's enough space between it so I can walk easily.